Hey guys, what's going on? It's Billy from the best place to play gold online. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and if you haven't done so already, go check that link above. Go ahead and register yourself for a free account. What are you waiting for? So, what is deflation? And obviously I've already covered what inflation is and what causes inflation. So what is deflation? So deflation is basically the opposite of inflation. So you're deflating something, and it's a general decrease in services and prices within the economy. And again, it's just another form of theft, because when you have deflationary period, you have a massive contraction in the monetary supply. You have a massive contraction in the stock market, real estate market. All that money it's just gone. It just goes away. It contracts, and it's held by the bankers and the huge financial institutions. So they're the ones obviously winning this, and those on the street, they lose, because through deflation happens massive unemployment and like I just said, a massive huge contraction in the monetary supply. So I often get asked, well, gold always really performs really well within an inflationary environment, which is true, it does, because inflation goes up, your pounds, your dollars, your yen, whatever becomes, the purchasing power gets sucked away, it destroys debts, the interest rates from debts just go through the roof, and it destroys savers at the same time, because it just wipes out their savings. And within a hyperinflationary period, which is just it's just inflation times fucking a million, you're going to get savers and debtors are going to be the massive losers, and the winners in this are going to be the bankers, again, the financial institutions, and those that held gold. So I often get asked, but it performs really well in inflationary environment, because everyone just floods towards sound money, which is gold and silver. But it also performs really, really well, and this is where it confuses people, because they think, well, in the deflationary period that we're in, why does gold still perform really well? Why does precious metals perform really well? Why do other asset classes, like fine art, collectors' items, why do they always perform really well? Well, because you've got a contraction of the money supply. There's less and less money, and those that do have the money, they're going, well, I'm either going to keep hold of it, but at the same time, I know for a fact that the central banks are going to want to cause inflation, so it could disappear and be inflated away. But they also they want to put it into something sound that's going to give them a better yield, and it's going to give them a better return. And now I know I talk about gold not as a yield or an investment, but in times like that, your purchasing power can increase dramatically. So in a way, in an effect, if that makes it easier for you to understand, yes, it does return a yield, it does return an investment, and gives you greater purchasing power. So I hope you understand, and that makes perfect sense. If it doesn't, drop me a question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And as always, if you got value, feel free to like and share this. And if you haven't done so already, you've been following me for a while, and you're on the fence about gold still, just click the link above, okay? You haven't got to buy anything at all. Just click the link above, go and open yourself a free account. When you've gone and opened yourself a free account, come and see me. I've got some vouchers for you. I can give you gold at the best price available online. And I'll tell you what, I'll give you 90 days. Hold on to your gold for 90 days. If it does not increase in value in 90 days' time, I will give you your money back at the price you paid for it that day. And if it does increase in value, then I'll tell you what, I'll be ringing you up and going, do you want me to buy your gold? I'll buy it back off you now, and you're going to tell me to piss off. So 100%, if you're on this channel, you're watching this video, if you're not already in Legacy Gold, click the link above, open a free account, you've got nothing to lose. And again, that offer is open to anybody who wishes to take me up on it, but you need to open up a free account. So there you go. I hope you got value. Again, I'll see you on the next video. Ta-da.